Page 19, finger hops. This is for the right hand alone. So we're only using one staff, that's fine. And here we're dealing with dynamics, or louds and softs. Well, before I get to the dynamics, I want to get the notes and rhythms all figured out. So let's look it over. It's 2 lines long. We have 4/4 time signature here. And it is a treble clef. That first note in the music is middle C. So you're going to put second finger on middle C, which puts the hand here. And we're going to move up. So you got here. And the third measure, you just move it, just lift the hand and come up 1. Do it again. Again. One more time. They say keep going all the way up to C. Going up and then on C. I mean, you could keep going, but that's enough. And see if you can get to where you can play this without looking, where you can move here to here to here. You can feel going up one key like that without looking. That'd be nice. Comes in handy. Then I add the dynamics. Loud, and then soft, and then loud, and then we're going back and forth. Here. So heavy, light, yeah? Heavy. Let the wrist collapse a little bit on these. Now I hit light. I'm still letting the wrist collapse a little bit. I always let the wrist be flexible and loose. Loud. And then light. So we're going back and forth between loud and soft as we go through this. Go all the way up to C. How fast you go? Well, it says cheerfully. Again, how fast do you want to be cheerful? I don't care. You do it. You decide. At the bottom, they have questions. How is your technique? You have the firm. Are you collapsing this finger? Or you keep them firm? Keep them firm. Don't collapse them. And it doesn't take a lot. I mean, you're not needing to use a lot of weight to play loud. You're just playing loud. But don't collapse this finger down like that. Keep a curved finger. And then how was your artistry? Well, that's the louds and softs. How did you do louds and softs? I have no idea. You can figure that out. Okay. Let's play this one together to make sure you get this okay. I'm going to give us 4 counts. Now, remember on a play with me, I don't do louds and softs. I'll let you do that on your own. But we check the notes and the rhythms and all. We're going to go from C to C. We'll end on that one. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Done.